Proverbs 18:22. He who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. Guys and gals, hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Look at my Dunkin' mask. Ew. Hey Dunkin', I'm about to put my email. Oh look, I got the new cups. My email for business inquiries. Okay, so you can sponsor us. All right, so today we're gonna do oatmeal eczema, dry skin, problem skin mask. Oatmeal, honey, and blueberries. It's an antioxidant also. All right, but let's take a look first at my cups. I just bought these for my daughter, and every time they get new stuff, I go in different states and I get it. All right, now enough of that. So I used all the raw honey, and you know I have OCD, so I use extra. These are the oats how they look before, and I blend them. So I already blended them up like kind of like a powder in my bowl. That's why they look like this. But if you want it in the natural state, to me it's a little chunky. I don't like that. It falls off your face. It's a little hard to use, but we about to mix it. So these are the benefits of oats. It moisturizes, protects, exfoliates, and cleanses your skin. Oatmeal also helps boost collagen production, improves your skin complexion, and reduces skin inflammation. You can use it in your bath, use it to make paste, or for a face mask. Obviously, that's what we're doing. Or use it as a gentle cleanser. Okay. Now let's talk about the benefits of honey. Honey is 6 different skin benefits. Honey deeply moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Honey diminishes the size of premature aging. Honey is an effective pore cleanser and gentle exfoliator. Honey lightens scars and hyperpigmentation. Honey fights acne and breakouts. Honey relieves sunburn. Yes, honey. So I like to mix this up like this, make a paste, make a really thick paste. And I make enough. This is not only one mask. I use this also as a makeup remover. And you will see I have makeup on my face and I will be washing it off. Just so you see live in action. Yes, I use this. I does this. So that's why my skin is so clear. I used to have a lot of acne as a child. But right now I'm 40, so I don't have none of that. But some people do. So this is for you, honey. Yes, this is for you. I was thinking about you. Now I added the blueberries for that antioxidant part because some people, they don't really eat blueberries. They don't eat healthy, but I've been vegan for like 5 years and I only just started eating fish and salmon, but that's because of my reasons, But I know that antioxidant is good on your face and inside your body. So here are the benefits of these yummy blueberries. Lego. Okay, blueberries. Blueberries contain a plant compound called anthocyanin. Don't come for me. It's ANTHOCYANIN. Okay, and I tried to pronounce it. So I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But anyway, this gives blueberries both their blue color and many of their health benefits. Blueberries can help heart health, bone strength, skin health, blood pressure, diabetes management, cancer prevention, and mental health. Yes, mental health. 1 cup of blueberries provides 24% of a person recommended daily allowance of vitamin C. Use blueberries to top waffles, pancakes, yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal. Blend them in a smoothie or syrup, or fold them into muffins or sweet bread. People who use blood thinners such as warfarin should speak to their doctors before increasing their intake of blueberries, as the high vitamin K content can affect clotting. Okay, did y'all hear that? A type of flavonoid called anthocyanin gives blueberries many of their health benefits. Flavonoids are plant compounds that often have powerful antioxidant effects. So this is a great antioxidant, like I told you. You put it in your face, put it on your face, rub it around. If you don't like eating blueberries, then hey, rub it all over your body because it's still absorbing into your skin. You understand? Like, you can still get it. You might not get the pure full benefits, obviously, because you're not internally eating it. But if you put it on your face, rub it on your face, girl, or guy, come on, you doing something. All right. So let's wash this off now. Okay. So I have makeup on. I don't know if you can really see it. You can see some. But I'm just trying to get all of it off. See, I have a foundation. I have a little bit. I have my eyeliner. I have, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I also have my eyebrows because, I am biracial. So I don't have, eyebrows, whatever. I wasn't born with that pleasure, so I draw them in. Now, see, this is how I look. Ooh, honey child. So this is all put. You could basically use this as a scrub. I scrub it, exfoliate my body, exfoliate my skin. I'm not one of those people that take showers and show you me on camera. I'm not doing that. So, but I do it. I rub it on my back, on my chest in the summertime. Okay, here goes my baby girl. Okay, it's a family affair. She washing her face too. She don't put it on, she eats it. But it's also good because, it's oats, honey, and blueberries. So those are the 3 ingredients. You only need 3 ingredients. Now, this is what I use. So you could also use this for eczema. This is good for problem skin. This is good for discoloration. I have a lot of discoloration on my skin. I was born like that because I'm biracial. Some of my skin is white. Some of my skin is pale. I have freckles, and my mustache area is brown. Oh, look at my baby. Yes, go, big girl. She's a good girl. Very smart. Yes, we washing our face. So, guys, I hope y'all are washing and doing your self-care, taking your little lovely baths, I know we all need it. Self-love is the best love. But anywho, this is basically my mask that I use for eczema. I use it for dry skin. I have dry skin. I have oily skin, but you can use it for dry skin, oily skin. It's for problem skin. That's why I add not only oats and honey, I add the blueberries because that also, that's powerful. And it fights like a lot of stuff, free radicals. There's a whole bunch of stuff with this, but I'm not gonna say it all in the video. I'll put it in the description box. But don't forget, check out my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, one word. I'll put it on the screen. And if you love my channel, like it, subscribe, be the reason someone smiles today. And thanks for watching, guys. And let me know in the comment section if you do this. Like, do y'all do this? And if you tried it, let me know. I've been doing this for years, so since I was like 16, and I'm 40. So you see my skin. My skin is great. So I'm not lying. This is what I use. I don't use all that. I don't use a lot of products, chemicals. I'm all about the earth. So even before I was vegan, I was using natural stuff. So I'm just making sure I wash it and get it all up. So it's very sticky. I just want to let y'all know, honey is sticky. So I'm just getting it all off, because it was a lot. So I use it in the morning and at night. You could use it any time of day. Sometimes I let it sit on my face and I just sit there and watch TV or something. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to just put it on, leave it on, wash it off. You could leave it on, cook, clean, do your laundry, do whatever you need to do, let it dry, exfoliate it real good, scrub it down, you know what I'm saying? And call it a day. Okay, so how I'm looking. Y'all see me with my Dunkin'. Okay, Dunkin' sponsor me. Okay. Let me give Dunkin' a shout out. I love y'all. I'm a huge fan. It's been 7 years now. So anyway, guys, as y'all see, my makeup is off. I took off my makeup. This is a great exfoliant. Had great antioxidant. You exfoliate your face for dry skins, for acne, eczema, everything. So whatever your skin ailments are, I have a lot of different, discoloration. But it's obviously, you see it. It's gone. It's light here. It's a little brown here. But it's going away. So, and you get your neck. Don't forget your neck and everything. So, all right, guys. Don't forget my Etsy shop. All my herbal remedies is Nova's Kitchen, one word. Be the reason someone smiles today. Right now, I'm adding more products. So if you go on it, Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so it's a family affair. We're about to get in the shower. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.